Today we are at Blunt Force Fitness and we are going to be showing you different ways that you can light a fitness shot. So Bree she's all that I could scrounge up at the moment. Bottom of the bottom. Bree's actually pretty cool. She's 5'5". She's into country music though.
Yeah, that might take a few things out.
Oh damn, you see how many people unsubscribed just then? Way down yonder and say hi to Hoochie. It's gonna be a little bit of a different episode. I wanna have her stay in one spot. I'm gonna show you a couple different ways where you can place a single light to do a fitness shot, and then we're gonna add in a second, third, fourth, fifth, and a sixth light. So you can see how it can fully utilize 1 to 6 lights in efficient, is that what I said? In a fitness scenario. Did I say efficient?
You sound like you said efficient.
Efficient.
Efficient fitness?
We're going for new words here. English, not my first language. Here's a tip going into 2020. The thing I've learned most from YouTube is that there are a lot of people that like to talk smack. A lot of them. And you know what I say to them? Nothing. If someone talks a little bit of smack, just keep going. Don't even give them no mind. Don't even give them no attention.
Play on, playa.
Oh no, girl, you can't be doing that.
You can edit that out later, right?
What'd you say, play on, player?
Yeah.
If you like someone that doesn't know how to speak gangster, she is perfect for you.
Country music.
Country. People that like to talk negatively, let them talk negatively. Don't waste your time thinking about what they're gonna do. What you're gonna see the position of the lighting, and I'll show you the shot as it's taken so you can see what it looks like when you're taking a shot yourself. I'm gonna start off with a single Interfit S1. This one is a 500 watt. It's got a foldable octabox. So I'll show you a couple different ways to use a single light source, and then we'll add in a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I'm gonna guess you're probably gonna see at least 10 different lighting positions, maybe 11. Let's get started. Ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go.